Yes, good evening, everyone. Sir, in the last class, we started discussion about the models. It Raman front. Sir, view is completed. Template is done. Next, we started discussion about the models. In the last class, how to model class is a one Python class. Inside, we have to define the fields and their behaviors. So, a data table model class is nothing but collection of the fields and their behaviors is nothing but a one model class. Every Python model class is responsible to create one table in the Django. So first we have to convert this model class to the SQL query. After that we injected that SQL query to the database table. For that there are two commands are there, make migrations and migrate. Always your table name is your app name underscore class name. So this story already completed last class. How to converted model class to the SQL, how to injected query, how to see the query, how to execute this, what is the advantage of creating migrate command, and finally differences between make migrations and migrate. Next, this is the concept. I want to insert the data to the table backend. That process already we know. Now I want to read the data and display to the HTML file. So how to read the data from the file? Here, first one, we have to start the one by one steps I have to provide it. Project. Second one, app. Third one, add application in settings.py. Fourth one, database configurations in settings.py. Fifth, test the database connections. Sixth, create a model class. Seventh, make migrations and migrate. In the last class, what we did, steps I am telling just. Once make migrations, migrate done, table is ready. I want to see this table to admin panel. Compulsory have to register model and admin model. What is this admin model? Today I will tell, okay? Model and admin model inside admin.py file. Ninth, create the super user. 10th, up to 9 steps we completed in our last class. ఇది కూడా already completed. Log into the admin interface and check the table created or not. 11th, static file with and corresponding configuration in settings.py. Final ga create a view function to communicate with database and to get data, send this data to template file, which is responsible to display to the end user. We total 12 steps we have to follow. Reading data and display to the end user with the help of template files. These are steps we have to follow. This class is full. Contact the teacher for more information. That's why I'm uploading notes in the Telegram because the Google Classroom is full completed. You can check the notes in Telegram. MS Center. Sir, no, starting steps already we know 1, 2, 3, 4. First one, start the project. Django-admin start project, start app, add database. I'm not doing anything. SQLite 3 I'm using. Model class, make migrations. Okay. Those steps we have to follow step by step. Can you please share the Telegram link, sir, to join? I did not receive the Google Classroom load. So end of the session, I will give the Telegram link in that you can join. Okay. So now first project I have to create it. How to create the project? Go to this CD Django. What is our batch? 14th November. Django-admin start project model project 2 cd model project 2 py manage.py start app test app pre ready copy paste. Now ఇవన్నీ రెగ్యులర్ స్టెప్స్ యాడ్ యాప్ ఇన్ settings.py ఇవన్నీ already you know. Create a Python class in models.py. Create one model class. Print one. Sir, open atom in this. Model project 2. Open settings. Inside settings, you have to add the app. What is the app? Test app. Close these things. Now, under app, one file is there, models.py. Class. What is the class name? Employee class name. What is the parent class? Models. Models is the module. Inside, what is the class name? Model. Model is the class. Models is the module. Parent child. So, employee number. Models dot. Number means general integer field. Integer field is the class. So, class with parenthesis. Object dot created. E name. Models. Module. Character field. It is a class. Inside one variable is there. What is the variable name? Max length 20. Employee salaries are models dot general salary means float. Employee address models dot character field max length your wish. ఆ లెంత్ ఎంతైనా మీ ఇష్టం. I can provide it 20. This is the class. Django materials. Still we are in basics na. I will give wait. Day after tomorrow, new movie is there. Are you going to movie? Double bokka. Don't go. The ticket 700. Anta 1300. అయ్యో ఉన్నాడు డబ్బులు అనుకుంటున్నాడా ఏమనుకుంటున్నాడు అసలు. Sir, now models.py. Why models is written 2 times? Yakada? There is no default value, Shivakumar. Compulsory max length you have to provide. Syed, where I am written 2 times. Line number 24. Okay. This is the module name. This is the class name. Both are not models, okay. In this module, this is the class. Within the parents I'm given, that is the parent class. This is the child class. One is module, one is class. That is the meaning, Syed. Sir, now completed. Next we have to go with make migrations. Make migrations and migrate. One is converting to the table, second one is executed that query to the database. Sir, py manage.py make migrations. ఇదిగోండి created model employee. Next command is migrate. Table is ready. Once table is ready, I want to ఇదిగోండి where is the steps? ఇదిగోండి first project, okay, done, completed. Next one I have to model and model admin. What is this model admin means? If I want to see the table records, then admin table is required. Admin.py. Register your models. So I have to take one class. Any name you have to provide. Just I am provided class name is employee admin. Inside admin is the module. Inside the parent class is model admin. This is the module. In this module, model admin is the one class. So is the parent, is the child. Sorry, any name I can give. Yeah, also valid, invalid. Any class name, but meaningful but I'm given model, sorry, employee admin. There is one predefined variable is there. What is the variable name? Let me go. Sir, what is class? What is module? తెలియాలంటే ఇదిగోండి ఇక్కడ whenever given ఇదిగోండి v ఉంది. What is the meaning of v? Variable. F ఉంటే function, C ఉంటే class. అంటే we should get clarity. Admin module, model admin class, list underscore display variable. ఇక్కడ your own variables are not accepted. Predefined variable, fixed variable, list underscore display. అంటే here whatever fields you are given, these fields only displayed. In your model class, how many columns are there? Employee number, employee name, employee salary, employee address. Now, sir, I don't want to display salary. I don't want to reveal my employee salaries. Then remove. Then what it will display? Number, name, address. Suppose I don't want to disclose my employee salaries. Then I don't want to give this one. So present, I will give all the four. Now, come outside of the class. Admin dot site dot register is the function. Inside both you can register employee class as well as admin. But employee class is available where? ఇది ఎక్కడ ఉంది ఎంప్లాయీ క్లాస్? మోడల్స్. మోడల్స్ ఈజ్ అవైలబుల్ వేర్? టెస్ట్ యాప్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ రిక్వైర్డ్? ఇంపోర్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ టెస్ట్ యాప్ డాట్ మోడల్స్, ఇంపోర్ట్ క్లాస్ నేమ్ ఎంప్లాయీ, టెస్ట్ యాప్ మోడల్స్. సరిపోయిందా? ఎంప్లాయీ ఎం స్మాల్. ఇది స్టోరీ ఆఫ్ అడ్మిన్ ప్యానల్. admin.py lo you have to write this one. Sir, next, what is the next one? I want to see this table. So compulsory you have to create a super user, sir. How to create super user? Py manage.py, create super user. See this? Come to the command prompt. Py manage.py, create super leave blank. It will take name already. abc at the rate gmail.com. Password. Again password. Create super user. Yes. Super user created successfully. Run the server. Py manage.py run server. Server started. Go to the admin panel because you have to go to the admin panel. Copy this. Username, password. Employee is there. 0 objects are there. Add ఒక 3-4 employees. Employee number 101. Employee name Radhika 12,000. Address Hyderabad. Save. ఇదిగోండి నెంబర్ నేమ్ displayed. Why it is displaying in the last class? It is not displayed because of admin table. If you have to hear, sir, this class is not there. Okay. ఇది తీసేయండి. Cut this. Employee admin లేదు కాబట్టి cut this. Okay. Now come here, refresh. Even displays employee, one object is there. That's why I created admin class. If it is there, you can see the otherwise objects will be displayed 1 2 3 4 5 objects. That's why the advantage of this employee admin class. ఇప్పుడు లిస్ట్ డిస్ప్లేలో ఉంది కదా, I don't want salary, remove. I don't want address, remove. Only how many columns will be displayed? 2 columns only. చూడండి, number and name only. So in list and display whatever you are given, that's why this variable, that is the fixed. I'm given 4, but Python generated, sorry, Django generated one more ID, default generation ID. ఇంకో 3-4 యాడ్ చేయండి రికార్డ్స్, then you will get clarity. Lily 13, 14,000, address Bangalore. Next 103, Sunny Mumbai. Next 104 3 na Chennai. ఇదిగోండి 101, 102, 103, 104 records are there. Up to here we know. Now the final concept is ఇదిగోండి up to here we completed ఏం completed registration done, superuser created, login, exit. Now last two steps. What it is? Template file, static files, final ga ఇది main. Create view function, read the data, display to the end user. So now model ready, admin ready, create super user ready. I have to write the function because view is the responsible to read total data. Views are views.py. Def is the keyword to different function employee data underscore view. Instead, I have to provide a first argument request, sir. How to read the data? To read the అదేంటి అలా వచ్చింది అది ఎక్కడ రాసాం మనం వ్యూస్లోనే కదా సరే చూద్దాం సార్ నౌ how to read the data means model name dot objects is the property, all is the function. First one, your model name, objects is the predefined property in that class, all is a function. It used to read total data and stored to one variable emp list. Create one dictionary my dict equal to, because I want to send it to the HTML file emp list colon key value pair. This one how to return, you know, return what is the function render, first argument is request test app slash HTML name. I want to HTML file emp dot what is the dictionary name my dict. Read this function here. This employee class is available where? From test app dot models import employee. So this is the just function in this one. Any explanation is required here? First import statement. After that function, this is the new line. Model name dot objects dot all. It is reading total data from the file. Just like this statement is select star from employee in SQL command. What is the meaning of select star from employee? To read all the data from the table. Kani adi SQL query. In Django command is, this is the command. Class name, property, all is the function. So next level, whatever different commands are there for every SQL query will come in Django ORM. Upcoming level advanced topic is there. Every SQL query ki I will write one Django command. That chapter is ORM. Django ORM. No module found means you can check it somewhere will say import statement something wrong. Module project 2 dot test app. You have to check it. From import statements are missing. So next one, what is required? emp.html. If you want to create HTML file, process should be there. Templates folder, static folder, inside test app, inside HTML file. Register these two into settings. All are common process. Come to this, check this. Left side, ఇది main project folder, model project 2. In this first folder, right click, new folder. What is the folder name? Templates. ఇదిగోండి created. మళ్ళీ right click, same folder, new folder. What is the second folder? Statics, sir. Two folders are ready. ఇదిగోండి templates, static. Templates లో again folder file? File. Folder. What is the folder name? Test app. Test app lo right click. Now what is the file? emp dot ready. ఇదిగోండి first part ready. Model project, templates, test app, emp. Next static lo right click, folder file, folder. What is the folder name? CSS. Images లేవు కాబట్టి not required. CSS. Inside CSS file. What is the file name? emp1.css. Now ready. All are ready. Static CSS ఇది. Templates test app ready. But Django don't know about these things. Go to the where settings. Create two variables. One is for template underscore dir equal to base dir slash templates. Second, static underscore dir equal to again base dir slash static. This template dir you can provide that to dirs. This is static dir you have to give. What is the variable? Static files underscores dirs equal to static dir. Done. Come to ఇప్పుడు HTML file you can come. First line, curling brace. What is the line? Load static. Come to the here body. ఏం చేద్దాం? టైటిల్ ఉంది కదా, ఎంప్లాయీ data. First one I have to provided h1 p employee list. Go to URLs, create one URL for this. Use dot మన view ఏంటి? From test app import use. Check the server status first. Server is ready. Now slash URL pattern. Oh, okay, spelling mistake. Employee list. So how to display this employee list? Okay, I want to come to here. Employee. Employee list. HER. Horizontal line will be displayed. Curling brace. I want to provide the values. The data is available. Which variable? EMP list. This value provided to this one. Suppose if employees are there, display, otherwise you have to display some message, no records in the table. So that's why I have to give some if condition here. Normal Python if only, but curling braces, percentage, percentage. If EMP underscore list, and if EMP contains data, create one table inside, give the border 2 or 3 we have to give. Now table head th employee numbers are, second employee name, third employee salary, fourth employee address. Once it is done, I want to read each and every employee. Just for loop for EMP in where the data is there, EMP list. So this is normal Python loop only, but we are using curling braces. For every employee from this total code will be executed if employee list contains data, then only if block executed. Inside this, first table row, first table data, curling brace, EMP dot number. Second table data, curling brace, EMP dot e name. Third one, curling brace, EMP dot e salary. Fourth one, EMP dot e address. All are done. After table row, close the for loop, percentage. And for example, this if condition is failed, no records. This total code is not executed, because if EMP list contains, then only this code executed. Sorry boss, there is no what we have to use, else statement. We have to give paragraph, sorry boss, no records found, because of else block executed. After that, close which block, end if block. Only employee number, name, employee details. దీనికి you have to give touch up. Come to here, body, background, color, red. రాదుగా అప్పుడే. H1, heading 1. I can make it as a center. Sir, everything automatically will come, okay? Table, margin, auto, inherit. ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని లింక్ చేయాలి. How to link this one? HTML. After title, not is the tag, link, sir. ఇక్కడ just మార్చండి, curling brace. Inside percentage. First, what is the folder? Static. Inside, what is the folder? What is the file? Total thing are done. If everything goes fine, table will be displayed. Employee list, number, name, this. Now observe carefully. Come here, select, delete. Come here, refresh. In the gone. Select all. Now employee table contains any records? 0. Come to your HTML. First condition, true or false? False. No records. Total code not executed. Which block executed? Else part will be executed there. Come here. Sorry boss, no records found. So if the data is there, then only data will be displayed. Otherwise, no chance. Like that, we have to read the data. Now save, refresh. అదిగోండి number name. That is the story of inserting data and reading the data. If we don't return employee.objects.all, the data will not be displayed in output, right, sir? Yeah. Can you copy how to attach CSS file statement also? By using link statement, you can attach, man. రాయలేదు ఇంకా. అయిపోయింది కదా అంతా. So CSS file, your wish, whatever you want, you can use that colors, all the things. Completed. MVT architecture. View is nothing but two types of options are there: function based view and class based. Present we are discussing function based. We have to write complete business logic. We have to write the Python code. T already done. Template. Presentation logic. We have to write HTML. M model related to database. First, in that process, end user sending the request to the view. How? By sending URL pattern. The first one. After that, once I'm sending request, it will goes to the first urls.py. In that views.py. So view function will get the request. That is the second one. Once view is getting the request, view is asked to the model to read the data. View asking model to connect with database and provide required data. How? Model name dot property objects all is the function. By using this command, it is by using this one, it is interacted to the database. Once it is interacted, it will give data and stored into variable. Model will communicate with the database and provide required data to view function. View function will send that data to template file by creating dictionary. Will prepare HTTP response with required data and provide to view function. Final ga view returns HTTP response to the end user. Line number 64. emp.employee number place lo emp underscore list dot emp. No, because emp list type is the query set. Inside there are so many records are there. From the list, a single column applicable now. The reason is emp is a one single object from the list. So emp dot e number is the valid. Emp underscore list dot e number invalid. Hanumanth. emp list type is multiple objects are there, collection of objects. The type is query set, it is a. So individual objects you can apply number, name, salary. Collection objects we are not apply the variables. First one, how to configure database inside settings.py file. How to configure database connections. So we have to use database name, user, password, host, port number. Once you were given connections, whether the connections are proper or no, how to check? How to check the connections? How to check the connections? Because our configuration is properly configured, not configured. 3. How to define model class inside models.py file. Make migrations. Migrate. What is the difference between make migrations and migrate? Make migrations and migrate command. What is the advantage of creating table by using migrate command instead of creating manually in the database? How to add model to admin interface inside admin.py? Total data. To display the total data, how to write admin class inside admin.py? To our table, final ga how to see generated SQL code as a result. Maybe database related questions. సార్ ఆన్సర్స్ కూడా చెప్పండి అంట. అట్టుంది. ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ నుంచి క్వశ్చన్లు కూడా చెప్పనులే కానీ. So now I created a table by using this make migrations. By using migrate table is ready. Admin panel, I display the table and I added records manually. How to add it? Go to admin phase here. Here 1, 2, 3 records are there. Simple. Add employee. I'm adding the details. Clicking on the save button. I am asking for you. Names Sunny, Sare Bunny, next is the Katrina, Karina, 5 or 6 or 10 names. Okay, we have to write 10 salaries, 10 addresses, numbers. Fine. I'm asking for you. Enter some 500 employee details, dummy details. అంటే ఒక ఎంప్లాయీ నెంబర్, ఒక ఎంప్లాయీ నేమ్, ఒక ఎంప్లాయీ శాలరీ, అడ్రస్, నాకు 500 రికార్డ్స్ కావాలి. హౌ టు యాడ్ 500 రికార్డ్స్? ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ సో మచ్ టైమ్. ఓన్లీ ప్రాసెస్ ఇదిగోండి, యాడ్ ఎంప్లాయీ, ఎంప్లాయీ నెంబర్ 1, తర్వాత 2, 3, 4 ఏదో ఒక నేమ్. ఫస్ట్ ఎంప్లాయీ సన్నీ, సెకండ్ ఎంప్లాయీ బన్నీ, 10 నేమ్స్ ఓకే, 20 ఓకే, 30 ఓకే, 40 ఓకే, 500 పేర్లు. అంటే వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ఇట్, ఏదో నేమ్స్ వీ విల్ రైట్, బట్ ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ సో మచ్ టైమ్. ఆల్ దీస్ ఆర్ నాట్ ఒరిజినల్ డేటా, డమ్మీ డేటా. Because any employee not there, salary 12,000 కాదు అంటే all are dummy data for testing purpose. Same, I'm asking for you add 500 employees. How to add 500 employees? How to generate the dummy data? Manual అయితే చాలా process, lengthy process, one by one adding. Instead of that, Python provided one module. That module name is Faker. Faker is the module name. Inside that, Faker is the class name. ఒకటి వచ్చి మాడ్యూల్, second one class. What is the purpose? Means how to generate dummy data, nothing but fake data for our application. This is for testing purpose. For this, Python provided one module. The module name is the Faker module. Faker is the class name. Then it will display dummy data అంటే ఒక ఎంప్లాయీ నెంబర్ అని, ఒక నేము, శాలరీ, సిటీ, డేట్ ఆఫ్ బర్త్, మొబైల్ నెంబర్స్, all generated. But you have to install that module compulsory. How to install? Pip install Faker. Automatically it will be installed. Faker module is ready. Now see this. I am generating Python code kabatti I have to write Python file. Stop the server. Clear the screen. Okay, test.py. Python file from module name. What is the module name? Faker. Import. What is the class name? Faker. Class name with the parentheses. What is the meaning? Object. What is the reference variable? Faker. Sir, observe, ఇది module, ఇది class. Class with parentheses means object dot created. This is the reference variable. Faker dot. The function is first name. Sorry. Faker dot First underscore name is the function. Give a variable name. Print of name. One dummy name will be printed. What is the name? We don't know. A module will take care. What is the name? Run second time. Run the అర్థమవుతున్నాయి పేర్లు ఓన్లీ నేమ్ ఫస్ట్ నేమ్ అలా ఏదో ఒక డమ్మీ నేమ్ ఐ కెన్ యాక్సెప్టెడ్ యాడెడ్ టు ద డేటాబేస్ ఓకే సేమ్ అనదర్ ఫంక్షన్ లాస్ట్ నేమ్ వేరియబుల్ చేంజ్ కోసం ఎల్ నేమ్ అనివ్వండి ఫస్ట్ నేమ్ డానియల్ సెకండ్ నేమ్ అది నవ్ అసలు నేమ్ కావాలనుకోండి ఒక పని చేద్దాం ఇది ఎఫ్ నేమ్ అనివ్వండి టోటల్ నేమ్ ఒకటి రీడ్ చేద్దాం పేకర్ డాట్ నేమ్ ఇదనుకో ఫస్ట్ నేమ్ లాస్ట్ నేమ్ని రీడ్ అవుతుంది ఫస్ట్ నేమ్ తర్వాత లాస్ట్ నేమ్ ఒక డేట్ కావాలి అంటే డేట్ ఆఫ్ బర్త్ కోసం ఫేకర్ డాట్ డేట్ ఈజ్ ద ఫంక్షన్ డేట్ 1 ప్రింట్ సార్ విచ్ డేట్ ఈస్ కమింగ్ వీ డోంట్ నో ఒక డేట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ జనరేటెడ్ అంతే 6/3/2011 సంగతి ఒక మెయిల్ ఐడి కావాలి ఫేకర్ డాట్ ఈమెయిల్ ఈజ్ ద ఫంక్షన్ ఈమెయిల్ దాన్ని ప్రింట్ చేయండి ప్రింట్ ఈమెయిల్ 1 ఏదో ఒక మెయిల్ ఐడి జనరేట్ అవుతుంది డమ్మీ మెయిల్ ఐడి @example.org అంట ఒక ఎంప్లాయీ నెంబర్ ర్యాండమ్ నెంబర్ కావాలి ఫేకర్ డాట్ మనకి ఎలాగైతే ర్యాండమ్ మాడ్యూల్లో ఫంక్షన్ ఇద్ద సేమ్ ర్యాండమ్ నెంబర్ 5 డిజిట్ నెంబర్ విల్ బీ జనరేటెడ్ ప్రింట్ ద నెంబర్ 5 డిజిట్స్ ఉంటాయి ఒక నెంబర్ విల్ బీ జనరేటెడ్ అదిగోండి సో ఈ డేటాని బ్యాక్ అండ్ డేటాబేస్లో ఐ విల్ ఇన్సర్ట్ నెంబరు నేము శాలరీ అడ్రస్ ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ మాన్యువల్గా అనమాట దానికోసం ఈ మాడ్యూల్ ఎంప్లాయీ అడ్రస్ కావాలి కదా యా ఫేకర్ డాట్ సిటీ ఈజ్ ద ఫంక్షన్ సిటీ ఏదో సిటీ వస్తుంది లేక్ ఒక ఫేకర్ డాట్ ర్యాండమ్ అండర్ స్కోర్ ఇంటీజర్ మినిమం నెంబర్ 0 maximum number 999 499,999 one number will be generated okay module name random integer 0 to 9,999 one number will come which number we don't know 6,806 2505 374 any number will come 0 to like in your random module choice function is there what is the use of the choice function it is selected one random object not number kada same ikkada kuda same process faker is the module name but random underscore element is the function within this you have to elements equal to 1 2 3 4 you can give Sunny Bunny Winnie చిన్ని పోయింది పిన్ని చిన్ని ఊరెళ్ళింది సెలవులకి ఇదిగోండి ద నెంబర్కి ఏం ఊవిస్కి ఏమో బన్నీకి ఏమో నెక్స్ట్ విన్నీకి ఏమో, నెక్స్ట్ పిన్నికి ఏమో, సరే నెక్స్ట్ సన్నీకి ఏమో. సార్ అట్లా faker is the module which is used to generate fake data for our application instead of writing the code. So by using this module, I have to generate the fake data, inject it to the application. How to inject the fake data to the app? అది story of faker module. So first you have to install, then run the program. Without installation, not possible to add. So that is how to insert data to the database and read and display to the HTML file. How to generate fake data. So next I want to generate this fake data, insert it to the database and read display to the HTML file. So here just I generated the data. Fine. This is the dummy data. How to inject this data to the database? That is tomorrow we will see. అప్పుడే 9 అయిపోయిన టైం. వింటర్ ఎఫెక్ట్ మహేష్ దాసరి. సరే, బాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్, ఎంజాయ్. టుమారో వీ విల్ కంటిన్యూ.